Okay, the first thing you want to do is go to tensor.art and type something in. I typed in shy young female model, full face, and I want a full face because I'm going to apply this to a TikTok video. So while that's waiting, I would say just head on over to TikTok or whatever platform you want to and find a video. Just type in somebody or look for somebody. And once you find the dance video or whatever you like, you're going to take that link and take it to snaptik.app and you're going to copy paste and download. Once you click download, um, it's gonna pop up an ad, and then you just clear that ad. You can close the ad. Once you close it, it goes straight to your downloads. Piece of cake. Head on back over to tensor.art and download the face that they made for you. And then you're gonna go to this website, acool.com. You're gonna choose face swap, which is on the top left. They have a lot of different things you can do on Acool. They give you free credits to start. I don't remember how many, but every month you can start for $20 or something and you get 600 credits a month or something. I'm not sponsored by these guys. I went down a rabbit hole. Anyway, once you pick, you're going to put in that video that you downloaded. All you have to do is, well, you can click from any of your other images that you've created, but I'm just going to click the downloaded videos from where I created, the new one that I created, and I'm just going to put that face right next to my video. And once you click it, it should, yeah, you just click generate and it should take about a minute or so. While this is actually doing this, I went down a rabbit hole. I've been at the house doing this and I was showing a buddy and I thought, you know what? I might as well throw it on the internet. I went through a whole thing and people take too long and I don't like to waste people's time. They're explaining 15, 20-minute videos of how to do all this stuff. And I just want to cut all that out. This is a 3-minute video or something. If you like it, please like it. If you want to share it, share it. It's a quick video. It helps everybody out. Don't ask me why I'm going down this rabbit hole and why I'm learning about all this stuff. But it is good to know, especially now that things are evolving, things are changing. So this is the original video. And then I'm going to click my video that I turned off the audio so that you can see it. But yeah, so here's the AI model, and I think it's perfect. I think it came out great. Again, if you like it, I appreciate it for the like and share. Other than that, I hope I didn't waste anybody's time, and have a good day.